Alright, hello. It's currently 1 p.m. and I just got ready to get my day started. Today, we're gonna be setting up for Christmas. Usually I don't give a fuck about Christmas and you're probably like, why? Like, Christmas is the best time of the year. Right, it's your best time of the year, not mine. Every single Christmas, I'm always left crying in bed alone because why? I don't wanna say my family doesn't love me because that's incorrect, but you know, I just don't feel the love. Depressing. This year, I've turned things around, okay? If you guys don't know, I basically have only celebrated Christmas maybe once or twice in my life. I was never the kid with Christmas gifts under the tree. I have never had a traditional Christmas. And the reason why is family problems. That means that I have spent Christmas either one, alone, or two, maybe at a friend's house back when I was a teenager. I still am a teenager, but you know what I mean? But this year, I've decided to turn things around, and thanks to you guys for watching my videos, I have decided to fly my entire family and extended family, like my brothers and sisters, boyfriends and girlfriends. And I know you're probably like, what the fuck, you have siblings? Yeah, this is what I mean when I say that. Like, things are changing, y'all. Like, I know y'all are used to me being alone. But anyways, thanks to you guys for watching my videos. I now have enough money to fly my whole entire family, grandma, and everyone out here for Christmas. So I will not be depressed spending it alone this year, because if you guys don't know, sorry, I'm probably boring your head off right now. You guys probably don't care about my fucking childhood trauma. Understandable. We're gonna be celebrating Christmas together for basically the second time in my entire life. Now, I haven't seen like my grandma that I grew up with, the fucking woman that raised me, because my parents didn't raise me. That's a whole nother, whew, Jesus, this therapy. It's an event, is basically what I'm trying to say. So I just want to say thank you guys so much for supporting me, because without you, I probably would have never gotten over this childhood trauma, or at least been able to try. But thank you. Basically, I'm not gonna be depressed this year. Anyways, so today we are going to be going Christmas shopping because I'm actually finally gonna have a Christmas. Who would have ever thought? After being kicked out at 15 years old and not speaking to my dad for a year, who would have ever thought that I would be celebrating Christmas with him in New York? And my entire family, of course, but that's a lot of worms to unpack, which I am not ready for. Okay, I'm gonna get ready and then we will go shopping. Watched the previous vlogs, but I just bought a Dyson Airwrap after wanting it for like 2 years, but I couldn't bring myself to buy it. But I finally got it, and I actually think that it was definitely worth it. I mean, the price tag is I don't know if anything like that is justifiable, but I used to get blowouts and stuff like that, but I feel like this kind of achieves the same kind of look. So if you guys are debating on getting the Dyson Airwrap, I would say do it. I don't know, I feel like out of everything, having nice hair is probably like the thing that I notice the most, because like if your outfit's really good and your makeup's really good, but then your hair is like up in a ponytail, it's kind of like meh. But like if you have no makeup on and a shitty outfit but your hair is good, it's kind of like, oh shit. Like, I don't know if that's just my mentality. I don't know if you guys feel the same way, but anyways. And I just used the JVN Complete Blowout Styling Milk paired with the Bumble & Bumble Thickening Full Form Mousse, because my hair is really flat. I mean, it's still like flat right now compared to probably what it could be, but it kind of just like helps give my hair a little bit of volume and hold, because if not, my hair literally sticks right to my head. But what do you guys think? All right, this is the fit that I decided. I tried like 10 different things, but I was gonna dress like super cool and shit, but I just realized that if I do that, I'm gonna be uncomfortable. And then whenever I'm uncomfortable, I don't vlog for you guys because I'm so irritated that like the last thing I wanna do is pull out a camera. So we'll move with like kind of like just like a casual, simple outfit. This top is from Arden, and then these pants were thrifted. All of my favorite pants for some reason are thrifted, so I think that's telling me that I should go thrifting more. But to be honest, I like thrifting in LA better than I do New York, which is, I feel like, controversial, because I feel like most people would say that about New York. But anyways, we gotta put some shoes on. I'm gonna wear these Piston Balenciagas. I have not ate today yet. We're gonna go eat and then shopping. What do we think of the fit? Is it like casual and just like oh, casual? She's just like running errands in New York. Like, she's such a New York girly. Okay, let's go. In this vlog, joining me is my friend Tavion.
Yo, yo, yo.
Yo, yo, yo.
Yo.
He's saying yo, yo, yo too. He's excited too. Say hi. I met him back in LA like what, like 2 years? No, maybe a year and a half ago. We met at Lil Huddy's house.
Okay.
Anyways, so we are gonna go buy some things for Christmas decoration, but I'm thinking of setting up my tree right here and then moving this tree to a different location, but I'm honestly not sure what to do. I don't know, I ordered it online and I actually bought a ladder for it because I'm pretty sure it's gonna be really tall because, okay wait, I don't know if you guys can tell, but this is regular ceiling height right here, and then my ceilings extend all the way up there. So I'm excited to see how it's gonna look, but y'all know my Instagram is gonna be spammed. But I have all this stuff here for right now. I bought a ladder, all the Christmas ornaments and all that stuff. So I'm thinking today we go out and like get some home decor, all that cute shit, and then also hit like Bath and Body Works maybe, because I ran out of body wash and I'm thinking that I need to get like some festive candles, but we're gonna figure it out. So let's head out. Okay, we're in Flatiron right now. I usually never come to like the mid part of the city, but you know what is here? Bath and Body Works. So that's where we're headed right now. But before we go there, we're gonna stop to eat at a place called Dig. I think it's like probably one of my favorite like casual quick spots to eat, just because there's so many options. If y'all have never had it before, search it up and see if they have it where you live. But I'm about to put y'all on. I got the tofu with the kale Caesar, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts, and this shit is so good. Y'all need to try it. Whenever I eat, I get my personality back. Oh my gosh. I feel like Bethany Moto right now with the vanilla bean Noel. Sheesh. What is this packaging though? What the f? They definitely downgraded. Are y'all seeing this? What is this packaging? This is not the classic.
Okay, so we got the vanilla bean Noel. Let's see what it smells like. I don't like it. I don't like it.
Okay, this morning I actually ran out of my body wash, so we need to get some of that. But also just like a candle. Winter candy apple.
Winter candy apple.
Right, that's what I'm saying. Maybe I'm gonna smell
Winter
like...
candy apple is the best.
Okay, so should I get some winter candy apple?
Definitely.
Okay. Well, we got a basket. She really hooked it up. All right, I'm thinking we gotta get the shower gel, but we also gotta get the lotion, right? Because do I want to smell like this, or do I want to smell like vanilla bean Noel? I'm gonna get the vanilla bean Noel as well. Okay, I'm also gonna get the iced sugar plum. I think I just have to get the classic winter candy apple. Let's do it. We got soap, candles, body lotion, all that stuff. We're good to go. I see all the Christmas stuff in the mirror. I don't think you guys understand how excited I am. Like, this is my first Christmas basically ever, and it's the fact that my whole entire family is flying out to New York because of you guys. Like, that's so crazy to me, because before I used to just decorate for Christmas because everyone else did it on YouTube, but like now I'm doing it because like I have family. Y'all are probably like, you shut the f up, bitch, stop getting so sappy and just show us the Christmas decor. This is so beautiful, guys. We gotta set up my tree later. Oh my gosh, stockings for everyone. Oh my god, the way they decorated this is beautiful with the little anal beads.
Hold up. What you got going on?
This is white people decor. Like, who the f is putting beads everywhere?
We can put some beads in a pot without a plan. Let's just do it.
Not gonna lie, we just sat in this couch for a second, looked at each other, and we were like, damn, like, I feel like I'm at my own house right now, just sitting here. No, like, I just got so comfortable for a second, not realizing that I'm in a fucking store. Look at these pillows, they're so cute. Oh my gosh, and so soft. How much are they? $40. Oh my gosh, all this stuff is so cute. Like, I want to buy it so badly. Oh my gosh, guys, I want this blanket. Wait, how much is this? For $349? Am I at the rich people stores right now? I think I am. Okay, let's get out. Let's get out.
Wait, what?
Okay, I think I've been to like a TJ Maxx once. In Canada, we call it Winners. But I think that it's like the same thing across everywhere, just called different things in America and Canada. But it's like the same thing, but I'm so excited. This is where the affordable stuff is gonna be. For not even 30 seconds and I'm like, do I want a water bottle? I kind of want one. Like, this store is so tempting. Like, take all my money. I like for some reason find reasons why I need it. Like, do I actually need a water bottle? I do. No, wait, look at this gray one. This gray one. Yo, I don't know why, but like the thing y'all asked me about the most is I remember last year I would post about going to the gym. Y'all would be like, where'd you get your water bottle? Like, damn, didn't all y'all were thirsty like that? I literally walked past this and went and stopped in my tracks and broke my neck. I need one of these. And the reason why I'm so triggered by it is because when I used to live in Canada and when I was younger, I had a red robe. So I feel like we need to bring that back, you know what I mean? Like, for the Vlogmas, have a red robe. Love. Or should I do this one? Shopping haul. Oh my god, do you guys remember, like, this is a memory that just came back, going to the store during Christmas time to get like your teacher like a mug or something, like a gift? Like, that's so crazy. No? You never did that?
Never did.
Okay, maybe it was like a small town thing. Like I went to a school of like 300 people, so like we were tight with our teachers, you know? Actually, fun fact, my 6th grade teacher DM'd me like last month and was like, like, look at your report card. You remember when it was something about YouTube? And I was like, whoa, that was actually like 8 years ago. YouTube didn't really exist like that. Oh my gosh, I need to get a Christmas mug. And none of these are screaming my name though, but you know what is? The Grinch. I have to get the Grinch. Oh my god, let's do it. Oh my gosh, look at these little baking sets, bro. Guys, do I need these measures? Like I literally don't, but I actually don't own any. Like maybe I should just have festive ones all the time. Like imagine in like April I'm cooking and baking and I'm like pulling out like Christmas things. It's $6.99. Oh my god, I'm gonna get these green ones. Wait, what towel should I get? I was thinking this one. We're gonna do this one as well. Think happy thoughts. Best cat mom ever.
Mornings are rough.
TJ Maxx is like the Forever 21 home decor because like this was really cute until I saw it and it said, Mary, I'm gonna get this quilt. $350 the last place. This one is only $59. Save money, live better. Oh my god, toys. This is so cute. Oh my god, it's a huge toy. Nom nom. I woof you.
Num, I oof you.
Wait, this is so cute. This one, wait, this one fits my house though. And it's the biggest. You really want me to get nom nom? So I was supposed to only come here to maybe look around and browse, but we have a whole cart full. This section, the one right at the checkout, always gets me. I'm always so tempted to buy this stuff. It's just like everything here is just so convenient. Like yes, I never ever thought that I would need this stuff, but all of a sudden, walking in the store, I keep grabbing everything. Shopping haul! So many bags. Excited. Got a taxi. This is such a vibe. Hey guys, welcome back to my What I Got for Christmas video. Fun fact, coming to New York, I didn't know this either until I had to fucking figure it out myself. Because I'd be on the street just like trying to hail down any taxi. Like, why wouldn't they stop? A taxi is only available if the light is on top. So whenever you see a taxi, not all of them you can hail down. And yes, putting your arm out on the side of the road is a real thing. All right, currently I'm at the mailroom picking up the Christmas tree. I don't know how big this is gonna be. We have to get a cart though because it is so much stuff. That's my tree. 2 carts, ready to go.
East and the west, racking up on my bread, power on me, I'm feeling just like a Tesla. Too much tree, the smoke is making my chest hurt. Girl on me, I'm thinking I should've rest her. Hey, I'm thinking I should've rest all night long. She putting me to the test. Got a lot on, I'm trying to take out the rest.